Hi, Ms. Davis. It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating American Roofing and Construction. If you type in Roofing Company Mobile, Alabama, they show up on the first page. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to beat them and copy them. Now, you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago, there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. It's a very clean, very professional looking website. You've got your call to actions right away. You've got some trust building right here with free estimates. We've got you covered. You've got a contact us button that follows you around the website. There's so many good things going on as far as the design goes on this website. So great job. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking is all this content, all the stuff that you can highlight and read on this homepage. The average website has 1,500 words of content. If I copy all of your content and I paste it in this word counter, you can see you have 493 words of content. If we go and check American Roofing and Construction, you can see they're at 1,012. So even though they are beating you, the great news is they're not at 1,500 words either. So by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, while also giving yourself room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a list of those for you here that you can copy and put inside of your content. So for example, roofers mobile AL, 600 people search this every month. If I put this in your content or search your content, you can see you don't have it anywhere on your page. Or if we go to roofing mobile AL, you can see again you don't have that anywhere on your page. Or roofing company, you don't have that anywhere on your page. And that's 600, 400, 300. So if you're number 1 for those 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 1,300 people every single month who wanted to purchase roofing in Mobile, Alabama. Completely change your business, right? So make sure you have those keywords inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of like Alliance logo, this could be roofing company mobile AL, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to pay for it. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 68 websites linking to you, while American Roofing has 44 websites linking to them. So this is what I mean by not all backlinks are created equal. However, they've done all the hard work for you. If these 44 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really simple, like, expertise, you hit get listed, yellow pages, you hit sign up, you create a free profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and boom, that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's pretty simple. It just takes a little bit of time, but once you copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically on the first page and start getting all the free calls that come with being there. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you got to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, GAF, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories mobile roofing and construction was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If mobile roofing and construction was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful, Ms. Davis. I tried to keep this short and to the point. As a quick recap, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content like roofing company mobile AL. If you want, then you want to take the websites that are linking to American Roofing and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in mobile roofing and construction. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. This is what most of your competitors are doing, and the sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Miss Davis. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you later. Bye.